And then inhale, we go into the V arms. As we exhale, opposite direction, make sure that the other hand on our chest as we
Stretching temporarily can release tension, and strengthening can improve muscle support. But if muscle tension keeps recurring, the root cause might be deeper. Your posture, your movement patterns, and also your stress levels. Tension often stems from misalignment and overcompensation. For example, like the plank or the way you carry your bag or heavy load. Hi, I'm Carol. If you're new to the channel, I've been teaching Pilates, yoga, and movement for more than 20 years. Now, instead of focusing just on our shoulders, you want to work on the whole body, because a lot of times all the muscles are all linked. And of course, the core structure is our spine. We want to improve our spinal health. Now, after this video, you might want to click on the link to find out what other neck-friendly mindful Pilates practices. For now, I'm going to recommend 2 Pilates exercises and also 1 yoga stretch that will help you to relieve this chronic pain. Besides practicing these exercises, you need to combine mindful breathing and also relaxation to release tension.
Let's start with the Pilates breaststroke to strengthen the upper back. So we stay in the W hands and glide the shoulder blades down. Inhale, face and chest off, and then slowly peel the palms off ear level, keeping the feet down. And then inhale, we go into the V arms. Exhale, we bring the arms closer to the hips and then flip the palm. Inhale, extend, and then slowly come back, relax. And just avoid having the chin up. Make sure there's space in the back of your neck. And just have the palms up. You can keep it simple like this, targeting the upper back. Now make a pillow and just rock the buttocks sideways, resting the forehead on our hands. Release all tension. And hands beside the chest, feet together, and we rest in shell stretch. Breathing deeply into your lower back. Exhale, let go of all tension. Now let's practice on the Pilates foam roller. So we're going to lie down, make sure the head is rested on the foam roller, your feet and your knees hip distance apart. Let's have the palms out just to release any tension in the chest. And from here, we're going to practice the scissors arms. So palms facing each other, shoulders away from our ears. As we exhale, opposite direction, make sure the hands not dropping below than the hips. And opposite direction each time we exhale. Make sure we're not stressing the lower back. And it's okay to have the palms apart, shoulders away from our ears. Avoid dropping down, maintain foam roller level. And we can also slowly bring the arms over. Pay attention to the lower back. Make sure we're not arching the lower back, and draw 2 big semicircles. Bring it back to the hips and slowly reverse. So we're targeting the upper back muscles and maintaining neutral spinal alignment throughout. And from here, we slowly roll to one side and come out of the roller. And you can completely do the same exercise without the foam roller. So I'm demonstrating right here, and just make sure the spine in neutral alignment and keep the shoulders away from here so you can really feel the activation of the upper back muscles. And avoid doing this, dropping the hand down and expanding the ribcage up. Now let's practice the yoga stretch. We're going to sit on a yoga block or on a chair and slowly turn to one side, keeping the chin parallel to the floor, lengthening the spine. And from here, we're going to have the fingers touching the shoulders, and then we're going to draw a big circle with the elbows. Now, if the upper back is quite tight, you do not need to have the elbows touching each other. And opposite, inhale, up, exhale, complete the circle, breathing, and exhale, release all the tension and relax. And slowly chin up, stretching the neck without dropping the head back, reaching the face up, chin parallel to the floor, and slowly chin towards the throat, stretching the back of the neck. And from here, let's complete with the mindful breathing. Hands on our belly and the other hand on our chest. As we inhale, the abdomen will be out, and exhale, abdomen in. Repeat a few more times so the palms on our body can really enhance our awareness.
Now, beside these exercises and poses, you want to combine a daily practice of mindful breathing and relaxation. And also you want to check your desk posture, whether you're slouching too much, you want to take breaks to do some stretches. And also your lifestyle, you want to pay attention to your lifestyle. I'll share more in another video. True shoulder release requires a holistic approach. You need to stretch, you need to strengthen, and you also need to be more aware of your spinal alignment and also mindfulness practice. Now, if you need more guidance in your specific chronic pain, you can click the link below and find out how the 8-week Mindful Pilates can help. Time today, I'd like to recommend you to practice this video here, which is neck friendly, and I wish you more freedom in your movement and have a great day. So I'll see you in the next practice.